You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's switch to a creator account on Instagram. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner, select Settings and Privacy, scroll down and tap Account Type and Tools. You will see an option that says Switch Account Type. Tap on it. Now select Switch to professional account. Instagram will show you two options, creator and business. Choose creator, select a category that best describes what you do, like artist, blogger, or public figure. Tap done. Review the features a creator account offers, like insights and flexible profile controls. Tap next. You can choose to connect a Facebook page or skip. Finally, complete your contact info or skip. Your account is now a creator account. You'll have access to advanced analytics, growth tools, and messaging filters. You can switch back to a personal account anytime by following the same steps and selecting Switch to Personal Account. Remember, creator accounts are designed for influencers and content creators. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.